Did you know bees don't only fear birds and spiders? In hot regions, lizards are silent bee hunters. They wait near flowers or hive entrances, perfectly still, then strike in a flash, catching bees with lightning speed. Unlike mammals, lizards don't chase. They rely on patience, camouflage, and heat vision movement detection. One quick bite, and a hard-working pollinator is gone. But here's the twist. Bees aren't defenseless. Guard bees can swarm, bite, and even overheat predators when attacked in numbers. In nature, it's not about good or evil, it's about balance. Every predator, every prey, plays a role in the ecosystem.